Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am your Max Shooter Subramanian. Today we are continuing the vector algebra children. Already we have made 7 videos. In that 55 sums we have covered. Now 56 sum pa, all are board sums. Find the magnitude of the vector. A vector equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap cross minus I cap plus 3k cap. So we want to find this value by doing the cross product. Then we should find the magnitude. We want to first find the cross product. Then we want to find the magnitude. Clear, children? So what sir we want to do? First do as usual determinant, children. That means you can find the value. I cap, if you do not, 3 threes are 9, 9 minus 0. That's what we have written. Then we have to go for the minus plus minus plus minus j cap. Then you will get 1 threes are 3, 3 minus 2. Then plus k cap, 1 into 0, 0 minus of minus 3, you will get 0 plus 3. So 9i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap we are getting, children. Then magnitude of a vector, root over I cap coefficient is 9 square plus j cap coefficient is minus 1 square plus 3 square. Root 9 square is 81 plus 1 plus 9. So we are getting the answer as root over 91. Clear, check, children. So magnitude of the vector A. A vector what now? These two vectors cross product. So we are doing the cross product. Then we are doing the magnitude. So very easy. Then going for the next question. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. We want to find the value of magnitude of A vector plus 2B vector plus 3C vector. Since they have said it is mutually perpendicular, magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B equals to magnitude of C equals to 1. And A dot B plus equal to B dot C equal to C dot A equals to 0. Then if you're doing magnitude of A plus 2B plus 3C whole square na children, like A plus B plus C whole square na, you will write magnitude of A square plus 2 into magnitude of B whole square. So 2 square is 4. 4 magnitude of B square plus 3 square na 9 magnitude of C square plus 2AB. 2 2s are 4. 4 into A dot B. Sir, how's that 2AB? Formula la pa, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So 2 into A into 2B, 4A dot B. Then 2 into 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12B dot C. Then 2 into 3, 6, 6C dot A. So apply the value each 1 square plus 4 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 square. Then A vector dot B vector is 0. Then B vector dot C vector is 0. Then C vector dot A vector is 0. Then what you will get now? 9 plus 4 plus 1. I think we are getting 14 for the whole square. So understood, ma? Since all the three are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, so each are equal to 1. And since they are all unit vectors, so each magnitude equals to 1. Magnitude of A, B, C, 1. Then normally two vectors perpendicular na A dot B 0. Here mutually perpendicular. So A dot B is 0, B dot C is 0, C dot A is 0 and over. So we are getting it as a magnitude of A plus 2B plus 3C whole square is 14. And you're doing magnitude of A vector plus 2B vector plus 3C vector equals to root over 14. Clear? Check. Then 58th question pa. Sides AB and BC of a parallelogram ABCD are represented by AB given, BC given. What sir we should find? We want to find unit vector along the diagonal AC. For ACQ, you want to find the unit vector. So first to find the AC, then it's easy. You know, children, triangle law vector, AC vector is AB vector plus BC vector. Both you add. When you are adding 3i cap plus 6j cap, then minus 2k cap. Then unit vector along diagonal. So literally d cap. D cap formula, D vector by magnitude of D vector. So magnitude of D vector you apply and you're getting the answer 7. So we all know, children, A cap equals to A vector by magnitude of A vector. Like that, D cap is D vector by magnitude of D vector. What's a D vector? 3I cap plus 6J cap minus 2K cap. Hey, that's it. What we found AC, that only D vector. Yes. Then what is the magnitude of D vector? That is 7. So 3I cap plus 6J cap minus 2K cap by 7. We may write 3 by 7 I cap plus 6 by 7 J cap minus 2 by 7 K cap. Clear? Check. Then next question, 59th. What now? They are talking about projection of A vector on B vector is 0. Find the value of lambda. So projection of A and B is 0 now. We know, children, what is projection of A and B? A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector, that is equal to 0. Division magnitude of B vector goes as sign of multiplication. First find A vector dot B vector. So I cap and 2I cap multiply now 1 into 2. Then minus 2j and 0. So minus 2 into 0. Then 3k and lambda, 3 lambda. So 2 plus 3 lambda is A vector dot B vector. Then magnitude of B vector is what now? Already 2 plus lambda is there, no children? Root over 2 square plus lambda square. So we are getting root over 4 plus lambda square. So apply A vector dot B vector is 2 plus 3 lambda. Super. Magnitude of B vector separately we found. What we found? Root over 4 plus lambda square. Again super. That is equated with 0. Children, direct also we can apply. I am finding separately. A vector dot B vector separately I found it. Magnitude of B vector separately I found it. Division goes at China, multiplication 0 into anything is 0. Plus 2 goes at China, minus 2. Then 3 lambda is minus 2 now. Then lambda is minus 2 by 3. Clear? Check, children. Projection we have applied and we are getting the answer. People are thinking, sir, all same model only, no sir, like that. But question some difference are there. Projection itself all not same. Formula may be same. You have to read and you have to go for it. Now 60th question. Position vectors of the points A and B are OA, OB respectively. Position vector of a point divides a line segment. Ratio is 2 is to 1. Since the ratio is given, we know, children, formula R vector equal to MB vector plus NA vector by M plus N. So apply MOB vector plus NOA vector by M plus N. What's our OB vector? They itself given. 2I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap. Apply. What's our OA vector? 2I minus J minus K. Apply, children. 2 into 2, 4I. 2 into minus J minus 2J. 2 into 2K plus 4K. Then by 2 plus 1. Here after normal simplification only, children. Once you are doing the normal simplification, so you will get 4I plus 2I, 6I, minus 2J minus J, minus 3J, 4K minus K plus 3K. So 3 you can take common. Once if you are taking 3 common, 3 2s are 6. Then here 3 are common now, minus J, 3 common now, plus K. So 3 3 cancel. Then R vector equals 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Then going for easier, children, just applying the ratio. Now again important 2 mark. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the vectors A and B. So whenever unit vector perpendicular, it's there in NCERT question only. So very easy. If you studied that NCERT, this model we have already done in the book sums. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B now, plus or minus A vector cross B vector by magnitude of A vector cross B vector. First find A cross B. As usual, A vector coefficient 5, 6, minus 2. 5, 6, minus 2. B vector coefficient 7, 6, 2. 7, 6, 2. Then I cap, children. I cap when you're taking out 6 2s are 12. Formula minus. So 12 minus of minus 12. So plus 12 plus 12. Then minus J plus minus plus. Minus J when you're taking 5 2s are 10. Then 10 minus of minus 14. So minus into minus plus, so 10 plus 14. Then k plus k vector, 5 6 are 30 minus 42. 30 minus 42 minus 12k. So after finding a cross b, you have to do magnitude of a cross b also. When you are doing magnitude of a cross b, then this is very much easier. Then root over 24 square plus minus 24 square plus minus 12 square, children. 576, 576, 144. That is nothing but root over 1296. We all know, children, 36 square is 1296. So magnitude of a cross b we have found. Unit vector perpendicular to both a vector and b vector equals to plus or minus a vector cross b vector by magnitude of a vector cross b vector. So a cross b, we got the answer 24i minus 24j minus 12k by magnitude of a cross b is 36. Take 12 common, children. 12 2s are 24. 12 to again 2, again 2. So 12 and 36 you can cancel. If we are cancelling now, we will getting the answer it as 1 by 3. Plus or minus 1 by 3, that you have to remember. So clear, check. Now going for the next question, 62. So when we're going for the 62nd question, they given magnitude of a is 4 and they said minus 3 less than or equal to lambda less than or equal to 2. Then what is the magnitude of lambda a vector lies in the interval? It's important, 2 marks, children, they have asked. Actually in the worksheet we are not given MCQ, but in example they have given as MCQ. As the smallest value of magnitude of lambda a vector will exist at numerically smallest value of lambda. Which part numerically smallest value of lambda na? It is 0. So lambda can be 0 is a smaller value. So that way, sir, why sir? Minus 3 only smaller, no sir, like that don't say. If you applied the lambda in minus 3 and you got modulus na, that will become plus 3. So that is not a smaller. Anyway, modulus is there. So minus 3 is not smaller, minus 2 is not smaller, minus 1 is not smaller. Since modulus is there, that become 3, 2 and 1. So which is the smaller value then? 0. Because 0, if you're taking mod also, it remains 0. So you may understand that 0 you have to multiply with magnitude of a vector. That's it. 0 4s are 0. Why ma 0? Why not minus 3? Minus 3 only no lower value. Why we are not taking minus 3? Because that we have modulus. So modulus minus 3 is plus 3. 3 4s are 12 will come. So that way it's not that. Then what's our greatest value now? Greatest value 2. 2 we want to apply. So 2 4s are 8. 0, 8 is the answer, sir. No. Even how modulus minus 3 is plus 3. So 3 only we supposed to substitute for the greatest value. Check ma. Greatest value, magnitude of lambda a will exist numerically. Greatest value is lambda 3. Actually minus 3 when we are substituting, we are getting it as 3 4s are 12. So what is the range now? 0, 12. But the people are making error and they are writing some people 0, 8. But be careful when we are doing. I hope you understand, children, why 0, 12. No, minus 3 is accepted. So minus 3 become plus 3. So going for the 63rd question. Area of a triangle formed by vertices OAB. OA given, OB given. So area of a triangle formula of into magnitude of OA vector cross OB vector. So as usual, cross product, children, OA vector, I cap, J cap, K cap. So 1, 2, 3 and minus 3, 2, 1. I cap you delete na, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus of minus 6, so 2 plus 6. Then J cap taken na, minus J cap plus minus plus. Then you will get 1 minus of minus 9, 1 plus 9. Then K cap, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8 my 8i. 1 plus 9 is 10 minus 10j. Minus 2 plus 6 6 plus 4k. Then we want to find the magnitude. Root over 8 square is 64, children. Root over then 10 square, then 4 square. 64 plus 100 plus 16. Root 180. So 180 when you are doing in the what? like a factorization, 36 table 36 5s are, so 36 tens are 360, 36 5s are 180, root 36 is 6. Sir, like this. And all I can't do, sir, may do simply, sir, two table like that. Yes, you may do it. 290, 245, like that also I can do it. Get the final answer as 6 root 5. That is very much important. Then what is the area of a triangle formula? Na? Half into 6 root 5. So 2 under 6 gets cancelled and you're getting the answer. Area of a triangle is 3 root 5 square units. Then 64A ma. This is literally 49B model pa. What na? Find the vector R vector equally inclined 3 axis. Magnitude 3 root 3 units. Equally inclined na, we may write the vector, required vector xi plus xj. Kindly change children. Xi plus xj plus xk. Actually 49 also we written like that. Xi cap plus xj cap plus xk cap. So magnitude 3 root 3. So magnitude of that is root over x square plus x square plus x square. That's what we have written here. So you know chocolate plus chocolate plus chocolate, 3 chocolate. So root over 3x square equals 3 root 3. So then we can simplify that further and we can write it like anything, squaring on both sides, and you will get 3x square, 3 root 3 square, 3 square 9, root 3 square 3. So 3 3 cancel, then you will get x square 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. So possible vectors are 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap, or negative 3i cap, negative 3j cap, negative 3k cap. So clear a check. This we have already done, as I said, 49b. Same. There 5 they given, here 3 they given. Then 64b children. Find the angle between the vectors a and b. Root 3a cap a vector minus b vector is also a unit vector. So AB and root 3a minus b are unit vectors. So magnitude of a is 1, magnitude of b is 1, and root 3a minus b is 1. So do whole square. When you're doing it, you can use a formula. What formula you can use? A minus b the whole square. A square, root 3a square, then b square, then 2ab, 2 root 3 into a vector dot b vector. Apply 1 is 1 square, and root 3 square is 3, 3 magnitude of a square, then plus magnitude of b square, minus 2 root 3, magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta. So 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 square, minus 2 root 3, 1 into 1 cos theta. 3 plus 1, 4 children. So minus 2 root 3 cos theta goes inside now, plus 2 root 3 cos theta, then comes here now 3. Then you will get 2 root 3 cos theta equal to 3 now. Then you will get it as cos theta equal to 3 by 2 root 3. We know children 3a can be split into root 3 into root 3. Normal simplification ma, nothing ma. Root 3 cancel. When root 3 by 2 will come in cos na 30 degree. So you can write the answer 30 degree or pi by 6. Clear a check pa. So simplification and we are getting it. Then the next question 65 is already repeated. So kindly go through. If you have doubt now, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.